Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you guys are doing best and your preparation for the board examination must be going in the right way. So today I am here to help you guys to prepare your examination in the smart way. I am going to talk specific subject, that is computer science, for all the ICSE 10th class students. So last year I had written one of the books on ICSE Java. So that book has created a wonderful results among the previous batch of the ICSE students who had written the board examination last year. So almost all the students have got the centum in the examinations. So what is this book? Let me introduce you to that book. So this book name is Java Essential for Class 10th ICSE. So this book contains 12 sample papers, and each sample paper contains the questions which have been asked in the multiple schools pre-board examinations. Okay, so how you have to prepare for it is simple, so you have to dedicate 2 hours specifically for writing this examination. I want you guys to create the same environment just like how it is done in the school. When you are writing the board examination, how exactly you write, exactly the same way you do in the home only. So take out the first sample papers and then you write the exam, and then after writing the exam, that means within 2 hours you don't have to get up. You continue to write the exam. After finishing the 2 hours, you evaluate your answers with the answer sheet provided in this book. So your goal is not to analyze the thing. Your goal is to only tick mark what is correct and what is incorrect. And the questions which went incorrect, your goal is to understand what went wrong in that, and those sections we need to revise from the textbook. So give yourself 1 or 2 days break and then go for the next exam for writing the second sample paper. I can assure you that after completing the 12 papers, you will be altogether at a different level, because you won't need any such kind of preparation after that, because you will be so well equipped with the knowledge that you can challenge yourself with any question anytime. So I want you to guys to write the examination in the simple, very peaceful mind, because before the board examination you guys need not to struggle. It should be just like another game, another game, another game. It should be exactly like that, because as you don't require so much preparation before the examination, you just have to glance through and then go for write the exam and you get the centum. How good it will be. So where exactly you can get this books? This book is present in almost all the e-commerce sites. You can get in the Flipkart, you can get in Amazon, you can get in notionpress.com. If you are not finding it, I'll provide the link in the description box. You can click that link and you can buy from anywhere this book. This book is available in almost all the bookstores, and it's easily available, and you guys can have access to it anywhere in India, anywhere in the world. Okay, so hang on to this book, understand it, challenge yourself with the questions, and this book will take you to the altogether next level. I promise you that, because this has created results and we want to scale this results across India. So I hope you guys can work towards it, help yourself with the right kind of questions to challenge yourself, which will take your knowledge to the next level. All the best.